Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty on PC with a controller. First, you'll need to connect your controller. You can use a USB cable for a wired connection or pair it wirelessly via Bluetooth. Make sure your computer successfully detects the controller as an input device. For Bluetooth, simply go into your PC's settings, find the Bluetooth menu, and pair your controller there. This initial step is crucial for seamless gameplay. Once your controller is connected, it's time to launch Call of Duty. Open your game launcher, whether it's Battle.net or Steam, and select the game from your library. Click the play button to start. As the game loads, ensure your controller remains active and recognized. Sometimes, a quick wiggle of the joystick or a button press can confirm its connection within the game's initial menus. This ensures you're ready to jump into the action. Now that you're in the game, head straight to the Options or Settings menu. Look for the Controller tab, which is where you'll find all the crucial adjustments. Here, you can fine-tune your sensitivity, customize button layouts, and enable or disable aim assist. Many players find a sensitivity between 4 and 8 to be a good starting point. Experiment with these settings to find what feels most comfortable and effective for your playstyle. Finally, it's time to practice and master your new setup. Jump into a private match or the game's training mode to get a feel for the controls without the pressure of live combat. Spend about 15 to 20 minutes practicing your movement, aiming, and weapon switching. Don't be afraid to revisit your settings and make small adjustments. Consistent practice will significantly improve your performance and overall enjoyment when playing Call of Duty with a controller on PC.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.